मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you guessed, yeah, it's correct. I am back with today the second Diwali look, as you can see. And today, you know, it's Diwali and I won't be keeping a black dress to it. Is it even possible? No, right? So I have created a black smoky, basic black smoky eye look paired with a black dress like this, as you can see. This is my new Diwali dress, and yeah, I am wearing my last day earrings with a few accessories. I am not a very accessory lover, big accessory lover, and I have just kept my hairs pinned in one side using some bobby pins like this. And yeah, if you want to check out this look without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Today I am doing my base on camera, and for that I am using my LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation for the same. As you can see, I have taken the foundation, one pump of the foundation in my hands, at the back of my hands, and applying it with small dots all over my face. And I am using my beauty blender, damp beauty blender, this is from PAC, to blend my foundation. And also to set my face, I will be using my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me Compact. The skin might look a bit white on camera, but this is okay, as we all tend to secrete natural oil, so by the time I complete my makeup it will be all natural. Next I move on to my brows, and I am using my Wet n Wild brow pencil to fill in my brows, and I am using small hair like strokes to give it a more natural finish. So as you can see, I have started filling from the middle of my brows and using small hair like strokes. This way the brows tend to get very natural look. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I shall link all the products in the description box below, so you can check the description box for all the product details. And that's it with my brows. Next I move on to my eyes, and for that I am using this Makeup Revolution palette. And trust me people, this is a very awesome palette. You can check this palette online. I shall give the link in the description box below. You can see the colors. They are super pigmented and super awesome to create any eye look. For the basic color I am using that brown for all over my eyes. Today I am doing a very basic smoky eye look. As you all know that I am a very big lover of a smoky eyes, and yeah, so today with my black dress I will be pairing up a black smoky eye. I am putting the color throughout my eyes as the basic color. For my crease I am using a deeper shade and blending it well with the previous color. These palettes are so good from Makeup Revolution to work with, that I am totally in love with these palettes from Makeup Revolution. If you are tight on a budget and looking for a good budget friendly palette, then I would suggest do go for these palettes. Now I am using that shade from the same palette to deepen my crease a bit more. I am using a black shade for the outer V. Now black shade is very tricky to work with, so make sure that you take a very little quantity and then build up the colors as needed. Don't take too much in one go, as that might end up looking very bad. I am taking very small amount of colors into my brush and blending it well with the previous colors so that there are no harsh lines, and it looks very uniform on both my eyes. I am using that brown shade once more. To give a highlighted effect for my brow bones. You know that brows look very good if you just highlight them. They look very neat and proper, and for my brow bone I am using that color and using it with a flat brush, as you can see. Even if you are not using any colors, just by shaping your brows will give a very good amount of definition to the face. I am using that grey shade for the first inner half of my eyes, and I am placing it with a flat brush, as you can see. This is basically a shimmery shade, and with this black smoky eye look, I thought of using a silver shimmery shade for the first inner halves. Now this is a Diwali look, and I want to keep the look simple yet elegant, because this is not a wedding look or any wedding guest look. So I'll try to keep my face with most of the minimal products and still look very fresh and dewy. Now I quickly move on to my eyes, and I'm sketching a winged liner using my Faces Canada liquid liner. And as you can see, I'm back with after drawing a winged eyeliner, and for my lower lash line I have used my plum kajal. Now to intensify the lower lash line, I am using the same black shade I have used previously and smudging it out with a smudger brush. I am dusting off all the excess products from my face. To ensure that there are no more fallouts. And to finish up the look, I am curling my lashes and will be topping up with my all-time favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is a very good mascara and it gives false lash effects. I don't wear false lashes, so I prefer to use this mascara whenever I need those false lash effects. And for my lips, I have used this Plunge Nude lipstick in the shade Spice Nude. If you want, you can add some other color to this look. Lip color is of your choice, so I am a nude lipstick lover, so I have used this shade. You can use any shade that will go with your attire. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Since it's Diwali and not any wedding season, so I thought that of keeping my skin more fresh and dewy instead of loading with lots of makeup. So that's it for my simple Diwali look. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for more such videos. And also follow me on Instagram. I shall link my Instagram ID in the description box below if you want to see my daily updates. Until then, enjoy Diwali, have a happy and safe Diwali. Bye, love you all.